Hi, I'm Dan from Apex Autos, and we're going to take this fantastic Seat Leon FR 2-litre diesel for a little test drive. So the car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, clutch and the gearbox feel good, through all 6 gears with no dramas, brakes feel nice, steering feels great, the suspension's riding the bumps on this country road very nicely, so the car is driving spot on as it should. Especially as it is based on the Volkswagen Golf chassis, so it drives just like a Golf, but I think it's more stylish, more sporty looking, and a bit more modern as well. This particular model has got loads of great factory fitted upgrades. So you've got the sat nav, which we've got on display at the moment. You've also got the LED headlights, you've got DAB radio, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror, and the black pack. So that's the black alloy wheels, the black mirror caps, the black roof, and the rear black spoiler, which I think really sets it apart from most Leon FRs. You've got other great specification as well, so we can change the drive mode here, so sport, eco, or normal. You've got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature to the driver if they wish. The all-important Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming, USB port, auxiliary input, power folding door mirrors. It's got everything you need really. Reverse parking sensors, cruise control, flat-bottomed multifunction leather steering wheel. It's fantastic specification. So yeah, really nice 2015 example, done less than 80,000 miles so far. It's going to make a fantastic car for somebody, perhaps that might be you. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care, and bye for now.